Hey guys, we're here. Andy's here. You're here. Munch Tours. We're here at the Rod Fai Market, or otherwise known in English as the train market. This thing is crazy, man. It's a market, but not sort of the traditional one. You've got a whole bunch of things. We got clothes, yeah, obviously we got the clothes, but we got bars, really cool bars, man. If you're in your 20s and you're young in Bangkok, most likely you're here on the weekends. And the best food here, like really good quality for the price, amazing. So without further ado, let's check it out. Yes, there's clothes, a whole lot of it. Men's, women's, bags, and the whole market is fit into these neatly small alleyways full of these pop-up stalls. Some of the best pop-up restaurants are here also. I mean, here's where you can get some of the best food. A lot of random shops, you know, with electronics and just any little thing you need. Of course, fresh produce. Weigh it up, throw it back there, cook it fresh for you. Amazing. I mean, take a look at these Japanese sweet potatoes. What? Didn't even know about that. Coconuts? Something sweet? Yes. Oh yes, something sweet. Did I mention there's bars? Shut down! Mulberry juice. I love this. Growing up as a kid, I used to have a tree of the mulberries. So I eat it all the time. It's gonna bring back some memories. Oh yes. It's got actually quite a bubblegum flavor, something like that. But yeah, very nice. One of my favorites, yes, chicken on a skewer with, I believe, tamarind sauce. Yeah, just 10 baht. Wow. Got that real barbecue flavor with the charcoal. Spicy one. And behold, one of my favorites here at Rod Fai, the Korean style fried chicken. Yes, so crispy. Like you're gonna hear this. And I got the extra spicy one. Yeah, they had different flavors. They had honey, barbecue, spicy, but I got the spicy one. So let's have a go. Fried chicken heaven. Did you hear that crunch? I know you did. I know you heard that crunch. You gotta get this chicken if you're here. So far so good. We got the fried chicken, honestly like the best fried chicken you can get. It's like 12 baht just for the chicken wing. And we had some of the chicken skewer, and there's a lot more where that came from. Let's continue on, shall we? nice. So I got a few flavors. I got salmon, tuna, some seaweed. The other one was salmon roll. So I don't know which one this one is. Like Forrest Gump says, life's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. Okay, let's try. Such a good such a good mix of textures. Obviously you got that sort of crunchiness from the outside because it's deep fried, but inside still you got that soft texture, you know, especially when you got the fish, got that super fish flavor with the seaweed, and the sauce is quite sweet. It's like a barbecue sauce and a mayonnaise sauce, but quite sweet. So good, reminds me of Japan. Rod Fai, so much fun. You know, whenever I'm hungry on the weekends, I just got no idea what to do. You know, the Rod Fai is such a easy decision to make. You know, come here, I stuff my face. Such good food, beautiful people everywhere. Everyone showing the love, and then after, I can get a little bit drunk, you know, at some bar with some live music. It's so awesome. You gotta check it out. What I got, so cute. The little pancakes inside they're gonna fill in. I got the pandan, I got the chocolate and the strawberry. You can mix it up a little bit. 20 baht. Oh. Yes, I love it. So cute and so tasty. Hi guys.
Hi, hey. Andy, we need your help. How is the street food? Did you try something?
Give you a quick lowdown. This is a very spicy, tangy chili sauce. This one is the same but mixed with a bit of sweet chili sauce, and this is just your traditional sweet chili sauce. Okay, let's run down. Pork. We got the sliced pork, kimchi pork, Korean style. Chicken, we got a bit of ham, we got thinly sliced pork here. Yes, we got the bacon. Got some hot dogs, some prawns, some squid there. Moving on to the beef, just different cuts of beef, you know, the chunky one and different thinly sliced cuts. And of course we got the butter to cook it all in. Oh goodness. What's up guys, we're here at almost like a buffet, but it's not. I'm here, joining me, Christina.
Alex, servus.
Hey, you know this man is lovely. Okay, let's feast, monsters.
Prost! Prost!
Prost! Prost!
You eat a lot of type of later. Wow. We had a cut meat. The meat was sort of really like noodles, fried noodles. That was
Two of my favorite things in the world, beef and cheese.
somehow the temperature's gone down. This like 2 months ago, which is not usual for me, but it's over. And I was just lost, but at the same time, for without money, I can have like the paradise. Yeah. This, but I was like
The aftermath.
this 4 days.
Very good meal. Oh my god.
Doing like
I'm
1
so
2
stuffed.
days because I will have it like
On to the next spot.
some people with the deal after
It's
you
time to
visit
drink.
Phuket, then you want like
Why not?
days.
We're here at Trade Market.
Because of the peak actually.
Let's do it.
โอ้ยถ้าเกิดเป็นแจ็คแดเนียลอย่างนี้คืออะไรเยอะ She don't drink it like a shot, but he is never following my recommendation. But he's doing well with rakia. He's drinking rakia with beer.
Which is Kama. We call it Kama.
Yeah, come on. Yeah.
We're here, guys. Last stop. We got the Asahis. We got the Thai rums. Now we're gonna finish with a bang. Sorry about the flash, but it's a bit dark here.
You're
Cheers.
going to like Rakia, but in the proper way of
This is the aftermath.
and
Rod
they will
Fai.
give you this.
That's it. Making our way back.
Table tennis,
Thanks for joining. Rod Fai
racket.
Ratchada.
And
Until next
when
time.
she do this with her
See ya.